Hi, I'm Dr. Akhil from Punarjani Ayurvedic Clinic. Now it's 50 degrees Celsius in Dubai. Dubai summers, scorching sun, dry wind, constant fatigue. Our body overheats, our mind becomes restless. According to Ayurveda, this season is called Grishma Ritu, where Pitta dosha is dominant. Excess heat in our body shows up as acidity, anger, skin rashes and disturbed sleep. There is certain diet and regimens mentioned in Grishma Ritu for maintaining a proper health. Let's take a look. Intake of sweet, cold and liquid diet is advisable. Start your day with fresh aloe vera or amla juice. Include more seasonal fruits like watermelon, cucumber and tender coconut. Practice gentle yoga like pranayama and asanas. Avoid overexertion and try to avoid overexposure to sun. Also try to avoid over spicy, oily, sour and deep fried food items. At Punarjani Ayurvedic Clinic, we offer specialized Pitta balancing therapies like Nyavarakiri, Takradhara, Abhyanga with cooling type of oils and herbal detox plants. All are rooted in authentic Ayurvedic wisdom. Feel your body cool down, your mind relax and your energy returns naturally, gently, beautifully. This summer, choose healing over heat. Visit Punarjani Ayurvedic Clinic. Let nature care for you.